Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today with a super exciting announcement. Yes, so something fun is getting ready to happen on my channel, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. As you know, I do frequently do guest design projects for a couple of online crafting shops, and one of them is Lisa at Happy Crafter Shop. We have Sandy at Decorate Your Life and Anna from My Crafting World Designs. And I am relatively new crafting with Anna, and I did a number of projects for Sandy, and I've done a lot of projects for the Happy Crafter Shop, and I absolutely love doing that designing. I love working with their products and sharing them with you guys, and yeah, I just have a lot of fun doing that. So recently I saw a design team call from Jovi at Crafting with Jovi, and I did a little bit of reading on what she was looking for, and I thought, you know what, that sounds like something I would really like to do. So I contacted her and I went through the application process. I sent her my information and she got back to me and she said, yes, I would love to have you on my design team, and a partnership was formed. So I am really, really excited about that. And as part of that partnership, I get to choose a paper collection from her Etsy store to craft with for a particular month. So this paper crafting kit that I have here is going to be for July projects, and I can't wait to share what I have in mind with all of you. But I did want to say some more things about Jovi. Number one, she is an awesome crafter. She does journals, she does vision boards, she does multimedia artwork, and just so many different things. She is so crafty and talented. I will have her link down below, so be sure to check out her channel. She is also active besides YouTube on Instagram, Etsy, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. So check her out there if those are places that you like to hang out. I don't hang out on all of those, so yeah, you're mainly going to see my projects for Jovi here on YouTube as well as my Instagram account. Also, I'm going to try to link all of that in the description box down below. But if it doesn't work for me, I will also have her channel linked below. If you go to her channel description on her homepage, click on more, you will see all the links for her social media. So yeah, with that aside, we're going to dig into this paper collection. So this is called Mouse Travels, and it is an adorable vintage and whimsical collection. You can see we've got a lot of vintagey colored papers here. We've got coffee staining, book pages. Here's an adorable little mouse. He is looking at the globe there, planning a vacation, sitting on top of his suitcase. We've got a vintage key here, as well as the ever-popular mushrooms. Oh, by the way, this kit comes with 20 pages. Some are tags, cut-aparts, ephemera, and the design papers. And then this one here has this cute mouse on the vintage bicycle and a beautiful hot air balloon. And you can cut these pages in half and use them if you're doing smaller pages, or use them all as one for larger pages. And here is a large page here. We've got the little lady mouse here. She's got her map and she's checking out the signs to find out which way she needs to go to get to her destination. Here is another lady mouse, and she's got all her bags packed and ready to board the train to her vacation destination. This one is a nice little man mouse, and he's got his backpack, and he's going to be staying in this beautiful cabin. So cute. Love the artwork. Here we have a mariner's compass. We have, I think this is a little boy mouse because he's got a teddy bear there. It says sunshine and happiness, and we've got the little light post here lighting the way to his destination. This one is really interesting. This looks like an actual photograph. And we have down here the mama and the baby deer, some more mushrooms, and up here we have a mouse and a hot air balloon traveling along. So gorgeous. Here are some beautiful journaling pages with I think this is a glider airplane, and then we've got like a map banner there. Down here we have a little mouse who is looking at the globe, trying to figure out where he is going. This one is super cute. I love the little lady mouse there floating along with the, I don't know what they call that, sort of like a hang glider kind of thing. And she's got this gorgeous border of flowers along the top and the bottom. Over here we have the lamppost and this beautiful wagon wheel that's made up like a wreath. So pretty. And then here we have a cute and whimsical page. We've got this cute little house here with the mushrooms and the beautiful little mouse there. Isn't she adorable? This is a beautiful watercolor. And then we have this one where the little mousy girl is getting ready to get on the hot air balloon. I love how she's standing on the mushrooms to get there. And then over here we have a pretty little cottage there. So lovely. Love the sky colors. And here we've got some cut apart ephemeras, passport, suitcase, ticket, balloon, mailbox, suitcase, and more. Here is some more travel ephemera. Beautiful tickets and the stamp there. This stamp here as well. We've got a torn page. We've got a little mousy lady with her suitcase. Just so pretty. And some more cut aparts or ephemera pieces. Beautiful tags and envelopes. We've got a camera. So pretty. This way to the garden. That's adorable. And then we have this all over suitcase design. This is going to be a great background page for something. Love, love, love all the colors. We've got a few more vintage pages from books and suitcases stacked up. So lovely. Once again, we have another vintage key here. We've got a scroll. Very, very nice. And here we have a mama and a little boy and the teddy bear. So this would be the same one from that previous image that I showed you. And I don't know, they might actually be on their way back home to their little mouse house in the mushroom. Here's some gorgeous tags. Look at these. These are actually quite large. Let me measure this. So this one is 5 inches top to bottom and 3 inches side to side. So these are some really big tags for your journaling. We've got these little label type tags. Here are some more tags. I love this one with the ticket and the books. Here we've got that cute little house there. Adorable. And then we have some guest checks. Very, very nice. And down here we've got a beautiful border that can be cut out and used along the edge of a journal or whatever you want to use it for. So anyway, that is the Mouse Travels journal kit from Crafting with Jovi on Etsy. And her kits, by the way, are very, very reasonably priced. She does have some completed journals there for sale as well, so you may want to check those out. And so here is another fun announcement. So as many of you know, a lot of times when I guest design, I either give those projects away in Happy Mail or challenges or swaps. And this is what I'm going to do with this. I don't know how many projects I'm going to craft out of any particular kit each month, but there will be at least one. Like, let's say I had 3 projects that month. I am actually going to do a giveaway for one of those projects. So if I do one the first week, the 4th week, maybe the 3rd week or something like that, one of those is going to be a giveaway video. It will not say giveaway video. It's going to be a hidden giveaway. So what you will need to do is be 18 years or older, a U.S. mailing address, a visible subscriber to my channel, and I will be checking on those things because I have noticed some people come in to the giveaways and they wait until the winner's announced and then they disappear, and you know, none of us really like that. So yeah, and when I check to see if you're visible, I will be looking to see how many comments you've left on my channels, on my channel videos, and that is very easy to check. I know a lot of YouTubers know that. So those giveaways will not be sponsored by Jovi or by YouTube or anyone else. They will be strictly projects that I created using the project kits from Jovi. Let me think. Anything else I need to say about that? I don't know, but I think it's really, really exciting. I'm looking forward so much to crafting with Jovi's products and sharing them all with you guys. And I just think it's really fun to give back to the crafting community. So yeah, be watching those videos, and I will announce later on in the month if there's any other requirements for those giveaways. Because I'm not really sure how I'm going to do them yet. I don't know if it'll be a secret word or if it'll be by, you know, just commenting and watching or whatever it's going to be. I will let everybody know that. And I will always draw the winner the following month. So let's say this project is going to be posted in July. So in in August, you will find out who the winner is for whatever project that is. So like I said, if there's 3 projects, only one video is going to be a giveaway video, and you won't know which one it is. So you need to watch and comment on all of them. And if there's only one video, then yeah, you know that's it. But you won't know until the end of the month. So yeah, keep up on all of that. I would really, really appreciate it. I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you, Jovi, for the opportunity to be on your design team. I really, really appreciate it. And thanks everybody for watching. Thank you for all your support. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and be looking forward to those videos and checking out the projects from the other design team members. And like I said, I will link that announcement video down below so that you can check out who everybody is and visit their channels. Thanks again, and I'll catch you all on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.